Hey nerds, welcome back to the Pixel 7a series. Today we're diving deep into the camera realms of two very different smartphones, the Pixel 7a and the iPhone 14 Pro. In this nerdy camera test, we'll be putting these devices head-to-head to see which one comes out on top. Now, the Pixel 7a is a budget-friendly option, priced under $500, while the iPhone 14 Pro sits in the premium range at a hefty $1,100. Let's focus specifically on the cameras, the eyes of our tech world. First up, let's talk about the photo quality. I'm taking shots in RAW mode on both phones. We kick off with a 0.5 super wide-angle lens, and the initial preview quality on the iPhone seems to have the edge. However, as we dive deeper, it becomes clear that distinguishing between the two becomes a challenge, especially in well-lit scenarios. I share my thoughts on the super wide-angle lens, noting that the iPhone seems to handle chromatic aberration better. But hey, let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Next, we switch gears to the selfie cameras. I'm recording audio and video quality comparisons between the Pixel 7a and the iPhone 14 Pro. Both phones present a strikingly similar performance, at least in this daytime environment. I explore features like slide zoom on the Pixel, voice enhancement, and stabilization differences. The Pixel's wider field of view and unique features might make up for what it lacks in crispness compared to the iPhone. Now, let's delve into my favorite part of this video, testing the main cameras. I find a super magical place and use a gimbal to capture some footage. The Pixel 7a surprises me with its natural colors and lack of over-sharpening in the photos. This leads me to a logical thought. While the iPhone may have superior hardware, the Pixel's image processing software delivers more natural and pleasant results in certain scenarios. Portrait mode is up next, and here's where things get interesting. The iPhone, while having a good image, falls short because once you take the photo, you're stuck with it. The Pixel 7a, on the other hand, allows you to make adjustments, giving you more control over the final result. Let's take a look at the camera interfaces on both phones. The iPhone offers limited manual controls, mainly focusing on exposure adjustment. On the contrary, the Pixel 7a provides a plethora of adjustments like temperature, exposure, and contrast. Having full control over camera settings enhances the user experience, making the Pixel 7a super fun to use. I share some tips for filming with mobile phones, emphasizing the importance of locking exposure for a more professional-looking video. It's all about getting that full control over your exposure to elevate the quality of your shots. After various scenarios, I conclude that the Pixel 7a excels in well-lit environments, even surpassing the iPhone in certain AI features like magic eraser and photo editing. I question the need to overspend on flagships when more affordable options like the Pixel 7a are available, offering impressive camera capabilities. Thanks for joining me in this nerdy camera test. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech. Check out our in-depth look at the Pixel 7's camera capabilities in the suggested video. Until next time, nerds, I've got a train to catch. Bye-bye.